well, everybody. Hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel so you can check me, so they can check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you will be notified about it. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video is over. Have a good one. Take care, and thank you for watching.